Okay, another day, another family car vlog.
Kaya
For
buksan mo muna ito,
today's
kita nasa likod, mayo pa.
video,
Para umikot lang yung hangin.
we're going on a mini grocery trip. Kasi wala nang diaper si Ender. Wala na, ay si Andre. Wala na ring garbage bag. So,
Plus, we have less snacks. We only have bits of snacks. We only have blueberry, Swiss roll,
Sit
chocolate
down, Ender.
yan.
pie. So,
Dito kami sa village namin. Lalabas lang po. Punta kami sa pinakamurang grocery, yung SM Hypermarket sa may Casimir. So doon kami kasi walang bayad yung parking doon. And konti lang yung tao. So
Tapos na yung coding window, no, Daddy?
it's 10 o'clock AM Tuesday. Coding kami dapat pero dahil 10 na, pwede na kaming lumabas.
Hindi pa 11?
Okay, 10 o'clock pwede na. So we're going on a trip on our favorite rocket
oh,
ship.
Daddy.
Coming to
is that-
the
oh,
sky.
Oh,
with the
window,
night
window.
sky.
Ender, you're
Ay,
ready.
1 minute.
I had.
May garbage truck sa harap. Ang pao.
Here's garbage
Let's
truck.
see if kasha tayo dyan. Let's try. Let's try.
Yeah.
Baon ng garbage
I
truck.
don't like my garbage.
Oh.
My garbage truck.
Lakas namin ng village.
Finally, it smells better now. I hate garbage truck.
Is your tummy feeling good na, Ender?
Yeah.
Okay, kailangan mo lang pala ng masarap na almusal eh. Sa lagi nasa oras na breakfast. Si Andre, di ko alam kung ano nangyari sa kanila ni Mami kagabi. Natulog na si Daddy sa sobrang pagod. So, wish namin ni Mami makabalik na si Ate para makapag-work namin na maayos. So, yun.
Little Andre.
Okay. What are you doing, Andre? That's me. Kami dito sa SM Hypermarket kasi nakapagtulog pa kami. Natin to. Ito ata yun eh. 50 pesos. Isa lang muna. Bili na tayo sa palengke. 10 pieces. Abot na to hanggang Friday yun. Ano yan? Ano yan? Ha?
Oh, there's more.
Kumuha ka na eh. Kumuha ka na ba?
Daddy, look at these new Pringles.
Kumuha na ng Pringles?
I don't want Pringles. I want something else. I have never seen Pringles like this, Daddy.
Ano ba yan? Daming flavor, no?
Yes, Pringles.
Truffle.
Hot and spicy.
Ano to? Original.
Hot and... Daddy, I bought
Sour cream.
saucy barbecue. I got...
Oh, nag-order ka na ng saucy?
No, saucy barbecue.
One trip yung tatlo. Ah,
It's fine with me if I don't get the snack. I just have to get used to the snack.
oh! Good! 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 Okay, time check.
Ender,
10:46.
gusto mo ng iPad?
So, 10:25 kami narating dito. Minus siguro mga 21 minutes din kami nasa grocery. So, we're heading back home. It's tayo sa baba.